Onesnažen zrak je zelo škodljiv za naše zdravje, saj negativno vpliva prav na vse celice našega telesa in povzroča veliko bolezni. Zato bi vam radi danes v naši rubriki Priporočamo predstavili posebne prečiščevalce zraka, od večjih pa do manjših, ki jih lahko nosimo tudi s seboj. No, tudi meni pri onesnaženosti zraka in v borbi z alergeni v zraku tale moj My Ion zelo pomaga.
Air pollution is one of the biggest problems which puts our civilization in danger. It's a global killer, causing an astonishing 8 million premature deaths every year, including 600,000 children. Every 8th death is caused by air pollution. While the deadly impact of COVID-19 has been impossible to ignore, pollution gets far less attention, though it kills far more people. Breathing polluted air affects more than just the lungs. In fact, air pollution has an impact on every organ in the body and contributes to everything from diabetes and dementia to fertility problems and childhood leukemia. We proudly present Zepter Therapy Air Smart, a sophisticated air filtration system for every generation. Therapy Air Smart is the latest generation of the most effective air purification systems that combines proven HEPA technology with the power of negative ions and UVC light. This all-in-one filtration system removes 99.9% of harmful microscopic particulates, pathogens, and polluting gases from air. The unique 360-degree integrated triple-layer filter consists of primary pre-filter, H13 grade HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter to completely eliminate inhalable particles such as bacteria, viruses, allergens, and other pathogens. Pre-filter with silver nanoparticles eliminates large particles such as dust, mold, hair, dandruff, pet hair, and so on. It also has strong antibacterial properties due to silver nanoparticles. Carbon filter contains 400 grams of coconut shell charcoal, which has the highest density of micropores. It eliminates unpleasant food and cigarette smells and all toxic gases such as toluene, benzene, xylene, and formaldehyde. But what if we told you that now you can breathe clean air wherever you are? We proudly present My Ion, a portable, patented personal air purifier, the most powerful, compact negative ion generator available on the market. Small enough to be worn around your neck, but powerful enough to substantially upgrade the quality of your life and to protect you anywhere and anytime. This ultralight mini wearable device helps to protect and defend against pollutants and pathogens such as coronavirus and brings clean and fresh air into your personal breathing zone.